Are you looking for the best kitchen drawer organizers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best kitchen drawer organizers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the bamboo wooden drawer divider. It's quite tough to optimize the gap to your kitchen drawer for all of your utensils and cooking essentials. And in case you need to customize the spaces with a touch of bamboo, this bamboo drawer organizer will supplement your timber drawer. It includes 4 adjustable dividers in an effort to healthy simply proper for your kitchen drawer. It doesn't require any equipment. With this unique design, you received it have any issues with the installation. You can extend and adjust the dividers in step with your drawer's size, and to the areas you want in your utensils. It is crafted from the highest best cloth. It is 100% bamboo that you can use for lengthy durations of time. It's green, too. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Kitchen Lovers Bamboo Expandable Utensil Organizer. Declutter all of the mess in your kitchen drawer with the correct organizer. If you're sure about the measurements of your drawer, don't forget this bamboo organizer from Kitchen Lovers. The areas are already optimized so you can maximize the areas on your kitchen drawer. From 6 to 8 roomy slots, every utensil will truly have its rightful spot. You can just location this organizer on your drawer, and also you'll be muddle-free right away. This bamboo expandable utensil organizer is crafted from pesticide-loose moso bamboo, which is an high-quality alternative for plastic, rubber, silicone, and wooden. This bamboo organizer additionally promotes a better and friendlier environment. At number 3, we have the OXO Good Grips Expandable Utensil Organizer. Small drawers commonly have a few options for drawer organizers. It might be a little assignment to choose an appropriate organizer, however, in case you nevertheless need to optimize the gap and maintain all of your utensils neatly organized, this Good Grips Expandable Utensil Organizer from OXO is your pleasant wager. As what the company says, it makes even the smallest drawers experience just like the most spacious. It comes with booths which are expandable from 9¾ inch to 16¼ inches, which can hold greater utensils and kitchen necessities. The dividers are fairly adjustable so you can accommodate utensils of different sizes and styles. You can eliminate the dividers or area them wherein you choose for a greater custom fit. At number 2, we have the Homeat Expandable Cutlery Drawer Organizer. The kitchen utensils and necessities come to be more reachable when you have a reliable and durable drawer organizer. Just like this timber cutlery tray from Homeat, it comes with spacious cubicles which might be expandable according to the garage spaces you need. It is one of the high-quality sellers available on the market that is crafted with bamboo for enhanced sturdiness and typical fine. It is a practical and versatile kitchen drawer organizer. And even the littlest of your utensils can move freely in your drawer without all of the mess. The cloth additionally makes it easier to hold without the damages and dust to fear approximately. You can simply vicinity it for your drawer and feature the whole thing prepared all of the time. And finally, at number 1, we have the top-rated kitchen drawer organizer. If you're into bamboo to complement your sophisticated timber interior inside the kitchen, this first-class selling kitchen drawer organizer shouldn't be opted out of your list. Because of its exceptional that is expertly and intricately designed and built, it can accommodate your kitchen utensils and find all of them at ease. This splendor gained it just fill on your needs for correct garage, however also beautify your kitchen drawers with lovely booths. It comes with 8 compartments, a good way to preserve your things easy and prepared. It is made from moso natural bamboo that keeps the best robust and dependable for more years yet to come. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.